Hello YouTube. I finally made it here to Kenosha to Lynch Chevrolet. That is quite a journey. Would have gone to Lincolnwood Fest, but it was rained out yesterday and I couldn't make it to Lincolnwood Fest because I pre-registered. Anyways, there's a Camaro Z28 parked next to my Silverado. Beautiful car. 74. Nice. There. 69 Camaro. Hey, my buddy Chris has a Camaro similar to that, but in orange.
74?
I think so, probably 72.
Oh, okay.
I would have called him and have it bring it over, but it'd be too short of a notice. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, a trip from Illinois, right? There. There's even puppers here. Oh, nice doggies.
This is a male and one.
Yep. Finally made it here. No mechanical breakdowns, but I did have a nervous breakdown. And I powered through it. I powered through my anxiety. That's a miracle. Oh, beautiful Impala SSR. Yeah. Yeah. Probably should go to live. And I probably would try and find the most appropriate parking spot, but this is a good spot. Heck, it's all good spots here. We got a bunch of cool cars. Gonna walk right past to the Corvettes and just walk around. Have a grand time. I'll maybe even put my phone down and not record anything. Just enjoy, drink it in. I can't believe I made it here. Made the whole journey with my 5.3 liter. Oh my God. An inline 6 Camaro? Yeah. Holy shnikes. That's the craziest thing I ever seen. Hey, it's digging it. It's clean, it's sanitary. Beautiful. So many of them have V8s. So rarely you see a straight 6 under the hood of those old cars.
This is free and so is the transmission.
Hey, free. It's for me. Just almost like how I got my 5.3 actually. Even though I had to pay for the trans. Beautiful car. Yeah. I'm going to do more wandering around. Probably cut this short for shorts, or maybe not. Maybe make a feature out of this. Definitely a feature. We're going near all the Corvettes. Man. Yeah. I'm probably the only one that has a 93 Silverado. Probably not. You never know. It's all Corvettes here. A C4 parked over there. A couple C3s and C2s. Damn. Oh, El Camino. Yes. Definitely making a feature out of this. Oh, the C8s are here. Another C4. Tune port injected. Yes. This is good. Whew. Most alive I ever felt. Especially the whole trip. Yeah, the all Chevy car show here at Lynch Chevrolet in Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin. I can't believe I made it. Look at those Cadillacs parked over there all nice. More wandering around and panning and camera work. Yep.